Damn, DBT, Sean, Prophet P. Yo, did not have any cake. What up, Maria from jail? What up? What up? Oh. Dude, barbecues all weekend, Maria. Barbecues, barbecues, barbecues. All weekend. Morning, Vince. Dude, all day. Ruanva. I want to say I was close. Close. What up? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I am waiting for a pullback to right in this area. If we get it. It's kind of what I'm waiting for. Volume is dead. Can you hear me? Oh. Dude. Oh. Yeah, I got worried for a second. I was like, dude, completely messed me up. I literally didn't know what you were talking about. Well, you know, a lot of people come on here and they're like, yo, I can't hear you. And I'm like, everyone else can hear me. And they're like, oh, I have my volume off. I'm like, bro, why wouldn't you check your volume first? What up, CT? I'm like, why would you not check your volume first to see what's up? Dude, no cookies, no cake. No cookies, no cake. This looks like it's going to come down, do like a fake rollover, and then come back up. What up, Brandon? Let me see what happens here. You want to hear something crazy, Brandon? I actually didn't buy any. They were all rebills. And they rebilled me at $16. I meant to look into this, actually. You just reminded me. They were all rebills. Which is just interesting to me. Because I thought it would rebill at a higher price, unless these are those special ones I got. Just going heavy gold and pray. Spray and pray. Dude, I'm going to my dashboard to see what the deal is. Yeah. I woke up and I was like, Apex rebuild you. Apex rebuild you. And I was like, oh no. Oh no. Yeah. These are all those $16 special rebuilds I had. Yeah. So here's the question of the day. Is yesterday part of today, or was yesterday part of Monday for days trading? What up, Marios? Yo, I got these are all rebuilds. I didn't even buy any. They just rebuild me. All rebuild at 16 whatever, $16. All rebuild at 16 bucks. Yeah, I get reset. What is a rebill? So like like a reset. Like after the month is done, they rebill your account for accounts that got blown. I got them all for like 16 bucks. My biggest question is today's clearing part of yesterday? AR, I didn't do anything yet. I'm just hanging. I'm trying to figure out if yesterday was part of was yesterday part of today, or was today its own thing for clearing for prop firms? Ooh. Okay. I appreciate that. Because I just need to get some accounts flipped. I need to flip this. So yo, you know what's interesting? That's the same day. Yeah, these are all the same day. Fuck, forget that. Yeah, no, that stuff you can catch on the weekend called Fidias is counting it as the same day. Yesterday is today. Finkel is Ihorn. Ihorn is Finkel. Yo, yesterday is today in that world. So I'm not going to trade that shit today. How do you copy all these accounts together? I have Replicanto. This is Replicanto. And you could choose a leader account. And then I can connect to all my prop firms in here. And I can copy all of them if I want. Yep. I use Replicanto a lot. What up, Sharif? I will say normally I normally don't have like a ton of accounts. I like to focus on the funded ones to get paid on is normally what I do. But that is not the case right now. Right now I am I just have, what I like to do is when they offer you a good deal, you load the boat. Because I don't want to pay full price for anything. So when they load the boat, I I buy, and then I just constantly buy at discounts. That's the best way to do it. What up, Akash? What up? What up? Yo, Dell, that's like when my wife calls me up and asks if I still love her if she was a worm. Yeah. Dude, I'm doing good today. How about you? Happy trading, Uncle. My favorite uncle. Will it reach 21,500 today? Dude, I'm going to be honest with you. It wouldn't surprise me. Monet in the house. What's going on? What's up? I want to see it come right back down in this zone, and then we bounce. Just need a little pullback. The hourly looks super strong. Oh, the one your mama warned you about? Yo, the uncle they said don't be by yourself around at the barbecue. Oh man. I think we're gonna flag and move out of this. If I had to guess. If I had to guess. I just want to see a little pullback. What's up, Nao? Yep, that's me. Jeez. I'm gonna hold this out of yo, Lemonade's doing well. You know what's crazy, Josh? Is I got puts. I got 200 shares put to me at $30 because that's how it ended on Friday, and now it's up. So those 200 shares are ripping on top of the 500 I got. That's a win. That's always a win, right? Was that $30 puts or 30 or $31 puts? Maybe it was $31 puts I got. Yeah, $31 puts were put to me. So those that I got at 31 obviously are up $300 today. Also, I bought some bull shares, by the way. I don't know if you're a Weeble fan, but I bought a bunch of Weeble. Yeah. The chart looks good. I'm in. See, this is the problem with too many accounts right now. Is I gotta trade them. Yo, they IPO'd not too long ago.
Order filled. Order filled.
They IPO'd not too long ago. Ugh, I didn't get a chance to get all my shares I wanted, all my contracts. Come on, come on, fucking push. Oh, come on. Order filled. I don't know why it says order filled now in my funded futures. It never used to. It never used to. Gold is, yo, look at gold. My big question was that.
Order filled.
Was that just a manipulation to the upside? All right, hold on 1 second. I don't like what just happened there. We just freaking. That looks like manipulation to the upside, and now we're going to sweep down low. What do you look? What talking about? Bull, Josh? Are you talking about bull? What are the leaps, anyways? I didn't even look at the price. Dude, the price is freaking low. $5 for 27s. At the monies is $4 for 26s. Yeah. I like it. I'm going to see where I end this week. I wrote a bunch of puts. I'm going to see if I'm giving the stock. I also bought 400 shares, wrote a bunch of puts, and I'm going to see where we end up on Friday at the end of the day. Yo, Q. No, but are you about to tell me a story that you did? I don't even know where that started. Somebody put an Instagram reel in the chat. Yeah. Somebody put an Instagram reel in the chat. That's what kicked the whole thing off. All right, I got a little bit better of an entry this time.
Order filled.
A little bit better of an entry. Yeah, I think because it's a new it's newly it IPO'd recently. Will I live stream the cookie eating? No. No. Still buy? I mean, I'm in right now. What I'm looking for is I'm looking for this to be like one big bull flag, and then we move up to the next stage, the next level. Of course, they didn't freaking film me here. I only grabbed one in this account. I want to see I want to see us break. Bro, SMCI has a very good, I guess, risk. I mean, it's super fucking risky, but if it all plays out, it can really go. I can't play GameStop. I'm out on GameStop. What up, Funded? What up, TiVo? Yeah. I'm not going to get yo-yoed. Whatever happens, I get stopped out. I get stopped out. I'm not tight stopping it, whatnot. Yo, how you doing, Funded? Oh. Yo, BK. Yo, is it 350 already? Good, man. Just had a bunch of barbecues this weekend, and just getting back to doing my thing. I streamed yesterday. The market was slow. What up, Mara? Market was super slow. Oh, TP'd a little early because my Apex accounts were in the dump. Yeah. I'm not in here, Josh. Just because you follow. This is what I'm in right now. I'm in Lemonade, PayPal, Oscar, Bull, Celsius, Lyft, and Hims. Nice little pop today, 2,200. Yo, barbecue is good. Had all the we did water balloons, grilled. What else do we do? Water balloons, grilled, ice cream for the kids, basketball.
Order filled.
See, I want us to hold right in here, and then we got a lot of stuff to hold us up, but doesn't mean you can't sell through, obviously. But we finally broke this to the upside. You want to see us hold all of this, which is this block. You want to see us hold it and continue to push up is what you want to see. Oh, a lot of politicians are buying rum, which is interesting. Probably because of Trump, obviously. Bro, there's something going on with Block. That whole CEO guy is really fucking it up. I forget his name off the top of my head. Was it Jack Dorsey? Jack Dorsey, I think his name is, right? He's like messing it up somehow. I was reading about it. Nah, this just fucking gave it up. Yeah. They were talking about how they want him out. Yeah, there's a lot of potential. A lot of potential, but they kind of want a different CEO. They just want him to step down and you're in short off the inversion. Yeah, Dorsey from Twitter owns Block, which was Square, and then they turned it to Block. Yep. Puh. That's an old order that got filled literally at the bottom somewhere. Yeah, I don't know what they're doing. I don't know what the deal is though. It's almost maybe they're talking about a new CEO. So we swept London highs. We're sitting right here at a breaker. If this gets back over here, I'm going to just take this. Oh, man. Maintained by Jeffries. I feel like those guys load up on stock and then they go, I make this a buy. What up, Marie? What's going on? Oh. I didn't even know that there was drawdown. I had no drawdown. I got this weird feeling we're going to get squeezed right below here. I would look at 351. 351, you're back under London highs, and you're back. You basically sweep this 4-hour candle, and now you're back in. Oh, that's the opening. Opening. That's not that big of a target. That's 31. It's like 20 points to the downside. Yeah, I just feel like every time they come out, I know the deal. They pump it or they drop it saying it's shit. Remember when that JP Morgan guy said that Bitcoin is shit? Anybody that owns Bitcoin in his company is going to get like fired. And then literally that weekend he was the largest purchaser of Bitcoin. So they basically dropped it to get it at a discount. But because it's JP Morgan, they just kind of let it go. Oh, look at this. So I was trading gold, Marius. They filled me here, and then they couldn't just fill me right there. I was literally a couple cents up. Unbelievable. So I trade gold and NASDAQ, Marius. What up, John O'Connor? It's getting real tight here. I mean, we bounced on the 5-minute breaker where you wanted to bounce. Actually, the 5-minute chart doesn't look bad if we can get back over 377. I fought and lost too many battles against the NQ. I switched back to ES. ES isn't bad. ES just moves a little bit slower. I'm not I'm definitely not anti-ES. Every once in a while, I'll throw an ES trade on. I am most definitely not anti-ES, and I'm one of those that, listen, whatever works for you is what you should be doing. You shouldn't worry about anything else. I'm trying to dude, I am hungry. Anybody eat anything freaking awesome this weekend? Made around $300, done for the day. Yeah. That's a solid hit. I'm trying to mess around with Ninja Trader right now. Dude, Ninja Trader has so many tools and things that I like love it, except for it's just so fucking hard to use sometimes. Let me get freaking. Oh. My target was 600 every day, but I keep. Oh. How close are you to a payout, Baba? I'm gonna eat a bowl of meth. Yeah, I feel like Ninja is like 2010 is the problem. You know? Oh. Man. Dude, I got everyone texting me. Thanks for yesterday. Hey, I also we're going to the Met game today. So I got the Met game today. I will be there with a bunch of kids it was some type of fundraiser. So I'll be at the Met game. Dude, they're playing the White Sox. It's like the worst game you could possibly go to. Dell. Get that payout, man. Get the payout. Yeah. It's just one of those things. I'm not a huge fan of it just due to damn, Micah. Yo, money's money. Bro, money's money. I take $400. I take $400 a day from TPT. All day, every day, twice on Sunday. Am I still in any of this stuff? No, they stopped. The account got stopped. So I got 3 funded accounts. Let me just see what these are. Oh, no, this isn't a funded account. All seriousness, man, maybe 76 is the ultimate right here. With a high a day.
Order filled.
I don't know why I trade my funded futures different. What up, Oliver? I trade my funded futures more differently than all the other prop firms. I play the swings. Like, I'll just take a shot and be like, hey, high a day. The reason I like it also, where's the 5? I'm getting rejection vibes at 376. But it's so choppy. I would say a 376 short, 377 short with a stop at that's only 14 points. The risk reward is just there. It's 14 points to the upside, while the downside could be freaking massive. What up, Robert Rod? We're going to see, though. Oh. I'm in a small size. This is just an eval. I just got one feeler contract. Am I going to regret that I only got one feeler contract? Fuck it. Fuck it. YOLO, right? Push it down. Oh. I just think risk reward is there. If we can't get back through that order block, you're probably going to target down here at like 286. So it's like 14-point loss to like a 90-point gain. Just kind of seems risk rewardish is there. You know that the only way that TP hits is if an algo handle hits before you take it out in the next 5 minutes. You want to see me hold it? I'll hold it. It's an eval, so I'll hold it, BK. Boom. Slow markets today, though. Shit. You believe me not? All right, here we go. Come on, man. Dump it. I mean, honestly, there's just not much. Sean was telling me that the volume was low today. I mean, he ain't kidding. I'm just looking at the hourlies and stuff. I'm looking at the higher time frames. Big dump would be great. I could see them touching the imbalance up here and then rejecting it. Man, I will say this is where you get yo-yoed, where you're like long, short, long, short. You just kind of got to pick a bias, kind of stay out, let it develop. Yeah, Kevin. I mean, a lot of news, a lot of tariff news, a lot of tariff stuff going on. What up, Lee? What up, Josh? Come on, give us this freaking rollover. Smash the old like button and let's go. Come on, man. Just fucking. I hate when it stalls. Yo, I heard I heard somebody's playing GeoGuessr on the stream a bunch. Yo, I'm about to play GeoGuessr right now. I'm gonna need you guys help. I'm gonna let them pick. Bro, this came out in GeoGuessr. What is it? Yo, where are we at? Where's GeoGuessr telling me I'm at? Earth? Kevin, does that look like Earth? Yo, it's Uranus. Put that on your GeoGuessr. Oh, man. I figured that was better than a dad joke. Blown out booty hole. Yo. Oh, man. I want to see the rejection here. I don't know if I'm going to. Jim Blab. Someone told me I played for the first time last night. The wall said Chicago. So I picked Chicago on the map. It was like wrong, Portugal. I was like, I'm fucking done with this thing. I was like, I'm out. I'm out. Come on, give me look at that. I need this candle to get on it. I got the rejection where I wanted it. We're up here. Now I need you to shimmy on down to the other side. Man, it's slow. Super freaking slow. Yo, welcome, welcome. Anybody that's on the stream that's new. If you're new on the stream, you can say what's up. Kevin, I would say you got to sign the document and you could pay later. I think that's what it is. I think that's what we determined. I think you could pay later. Yeah. It hasn't gone below the 9. I think that's how it works. I'm 82.5% sure it works that way. I don't know if you can cancel it, Kevin. They're not going to want you to cancel it. You can't just like pass an account, sign the document, cancel, and then let it sit there without paying them. No, that's not how it works. Yo, look at all you guys that are in here. Vicious, Quan, Neo, Xanax. Say what's up. I don't know you guys are in here. Pete Jazz, Sam, Jerry, Victor. What up, Larry? Yo, Cabo's in here. I didn't know you guys were in here. What's up? Carl, you guys. Oh, fuck yes. Fuck yes. Dump it. Dump it. Let's go. Come on. At least take me out of these two, and I'll move my stop down. Come on. Come on. Bro, no follow through. You know? We got the rejection where we wanted it, but it's gotta have some follow through, baby. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Market, don't go sideways because I need cash now. Man, I was up a bunch. Fuck, man. Let's go. What up, Dan? Yo, Keith, how's your day going? Bro, no follow through. None. What's up, Josh? Good morning. How is your day going? Bro, they just absolutely fucking torched me here. I don't even know what. That's a mistake. I don't even know where that one came from. All right. I'm going to abort this.
Order filled.
I was up for a little bit. I did not take my money. And they're probably going to go higher. Fuck me. I was up. Should have moved my fucking stop. I know, Micah. I know. That's why I blow a lot of them, because I'm fucking just in 5 contracts because they're $16. Because honestly, like, yeah, I'm with you, Micah. I give myself like 2 trades to pass, 2 or 3 trades to pass it usually. That's how I go about it. 2 or 3 trades to pass, and that's it. Yo, BK, didn't take profits? Yeah. I mean, it just happens. Yo, Josh, I think we're going to drop. I think the market in general is going to drop a lot over the next, call it 3 months. I'm with you. I agree. Fuck it. This is the end of the account. Yeah, I think the Trump tariffs are not what I think the thing with China is not going to come through. But like there's what, probably like 70 days left, 75 days left. When there's only like 40 days left and there's no progress with China, you're going to start seeing the market start to sell off slowly. And as we get closer to the date, I think we're going to sell off, and then you're going to have some issues. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a dip more than anything. I'd love to go back down. Oh, Josh, you're short right now. Okay. What up, Oscar? Yeah. I would I would definitely think that as we get closer to the China deadline, that the market's going to start selling off. And once it starts, things are going good are going to be a short-term pop. What happened, Dell? That's because they limit you to only three in Bulenox, Kevin. They limit you to three fundeds. Oh. You know what I'm saying? Like I made 30. So basically, because Bulldog's only allows three, but as high as 11, they let you pass them and keep them in store. Apex allows you to 20, so that's why it's like that. Yo, Keith, are you in here right now? I got a question for you. Keith. Is Keith in here? I have a question. I'm going to hit him up in the Discord. Yeah, Paul, you have to get a payout on one of the three, and then you could activate a fourth and then a fifth as you get more payouts. Yep. Boom. I'm trying to think. I'm trying to find. Yo, does anybody know which one, K or D, that Keith took off his stochastics? I was kind of wondering if anyone knows. That was a tweezer top on the one. Yeah. I don't trust the one for shit like for something like this. It's so no D. He takes the D off. Strategies. I was trying to do something for him with it. I was trying to mess around. No D, no big D. Oh. I wonder if this is going to just be a sweep. Sure. I mean, listen, we're above the imbalance. I would assume that's bullish until you close below 382. I probably wouldn't short until we were back under 382. That would be like my line in the sand. I feel like I'm going against the grain until we close below that. Bro, definitely no cookies. Come on. Push it one time. See, on the one, you're out of this breaker again, which is obviously positive. Look how clean the 5 is, though. You come right down into this breaker and bounce. I'm starting to like the 5 more and more. So I'm starting to like I just feel like the 5-minute just kind of gives me a less of a shakeout is probably what I would say, right? Less of a shakeout. Yo, you guys wanted to play fucking Geofinder. I gave you Uranus. Yeah, less noise. I've been looking at a lot of the so if you guys constantly get shaken out, I always have this up on my other screen. It's the 5, the 15, and the hourly. And you can just kind of see things that are happening. You actually had a 3-bar right here on the hourly. It's just a cleaner picture. I do think at some point we're going to make our way back down. I'd love to bounce off this zone again, or even better, right here, like 290-ish. I don't know if we're going to get that. The first step would be to come inside here. It's definitely just choppy, though, if you really look. I mean, we're the same spot we were right here at 1027. Like, we're really there's no true direction. Obviously, we're over the imbalance, which is a bullish sign. But I mean, we got to close back in. I wouldn't be surprised to see it trade back to the top of the orb. 5 is way cleaner. Yeah, I like the 1 for entries. Yo, Flip's at the bakery, bro. Flip's gonna be back later on. He's at the bakery. Scouting it out. He's taste testing. LFT. I like looking at all the time frames to kind of top down it, I guess. But yeah. Bro, Till, I don't know what you guys were doing last night. Yo, he was prime for his 30 minutes, man. He was ready. Dude, it's just holding there. Got that, yo. Yo, this thing's just holding. Waiting for it to come back. Holding. Dude, this thing. Yo, what's up, Ellis? I'm waiting for the next candle to be green and bring it all the way back up to 92. What up, Pop and Drop? Look at this fake out. I'm out on that other account smoked. This is actually a funded account. That was a quick hundy. That dropped. I want to see a retest, and I might rebuy. Sometimes that's the way, BK. Sometimes that's the way. You want to see a lower high somewhere. You want to see it come back up to like 80 maybe. It's just slow moving today. I used to be better on these YOLO accounts. I'm just not. I don't know. I mean, it works. Were you using micros or minis? I feel like if you're using minis, you can get blown out. If you're using minis, you can get your back blown out pretty quick on a pop the wrong way. But if you're using like 3 micros at a time, I feel like you can kind of work yourself out of it. Especially on like a slow moving day like today. By the way, Nvidia earnings is tomorrow. Nvidia earnings are tomorrow. I will be all fucking in. I'm calling grandma. We going in on Nvidia earnings tomorrow. I'm just letting you know. It's after hours. So last Nvidia earnings that came out, I made over $2,500 in a TPT Pro account. I might try to recreate that. Yeah, I don't know if it is. Is it? Dude, my wife's calling me like. I'm gonna sell puts, and then I'm gonna play. What? No, I made money playing futures on it. Yeah, I played futures on it. Futures was the way. So I wonder what. Boom, 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 boom. Come on, baby. Dude, choppy ass action. I kind of want to YOLO some accounts, but we're not like moving. Yo, hold on one sec. Oh, fuck this. Watch this. Yo, hold on one second. I'll be right back. Dude, somebody's coming here with a fuck to get their mixing stuff from yesterday. Dude, that won't stop, Josh. So somebody came here yesterday and brought a mixing thing, and they're coming back to pick it up. No, I'm getting fucking. This is the line in the sand. Just please move one fucking way. One fucking way. We are just in chop. Let me see if we got a inversion somewhere. FVG. Let's see what we got. Actually, IFVG. The fuck? Where did it go? It was a Lux Algo. Just trying to get a little gist. Anybody in right now? Oh, man. Look at this pattern. It kind of looks like this. Consolidation, dump, back up. Consolidation, dump, back up. Dude, and it ripped the gate out. You're long, Waldo? Good entry would have been 380 right on this inversion right here. Fuck it. I was in long in this account before. I just YOLO'd. I literally sold out at the fucking bottom. Look at that. I'll hold this one. Yo, 15 cons instead of 3? Come on, baby. No, where is that on Financial Juice? Is that on the juice? Oh, baby. I can't wait to read this Trump shit. I'll read it to you guys. Putin doesn't realize is that if it weren't for me, lots of really bad things would have already happened to Russia. And I mean really bad. He's playing with fire. Bro. This is going to get crazy. Putin is playing with fire. Awesome. Bro. Putin. Fritz. Putin. The guy in Russia. Do my lunchtime trade, BK? All right. Here's my lunchtime trade. You ready?
Order filled. Order filled.
Hold on. Somebody's at my door. I'll be right back. I'll be right back, guys. That's my lunchtime trade. Hold on. I'm back. I'm back. Did we go anywhere? We go anywhere? No. Oh, I sold out at 1. All right, so I locked in I locked in 1. Awesome. Yo, DBT, man. Shit seems like it's gonna get crazy, dude. Shit seems like it's gonna get crazy. Tell me it doesn't sound that way. Tell me it doesn't sound that way. It sounds like it's about it sounds threatening. It sounds freaking threatening is what it sounds like. And yeah, Wild is a great. I mean, if that shit escalates, I mean, it's not good. It's definitely not good. Yo, what up, Corey? How's work treating you today? Work good? Boom, 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 boom. Man, this feels like Asia. Feels like Asia market. Dude, you're done for the day? Now, are you clocking out or are you just done doing work for the day? Are you done working or do they think you're going to keep working, but you're done for the day? Because those are two different things. Those are two entirely different things. Because I've been done working for the day, but I was still on the clock for the rest of the day. Oh man. Done doing work for the day. I don't get off until 2 p.m. Central Time. That's what I was talking about, dude. Oh, I just got taken out of another one. All right, I'm going to move to break even just so I don't, just so Trump doesn't say anything. I get completely smoked. I'm going to move this up to just lock in some gains here. Bring me to Gainesville. Damn. Bring me to Gainesville. Oh, man. Anybody eating anything good for lunch? What you guys got? What you got for lunch? So I got to get some leftovers for lunch. I got some barbecue leftovers for lunch. That's what I got. Maybe I got some steak. Maybe I got some steak. I definitely got some sliders. I definitely got some sliders. Boom. Wow, they're just giving it back up. We just got 21,400 and then they just gave it back up. Interesting. Very interesting. Damn, DBT, would you win a bunch of gambles over there? Dude, you have Rocky Mountain oysters over there? What do you get, some horseradish in those bad boys? Dude, I love oysters with horseradish. Oh, baby. That would make my day. I might Uber Eats that. I don't know where I'm going to get the Uber Eats from. Oh. Watch this. So here's my funded account. I'm only down $2 today. I just want to turn it green, right? How hard could it be to turn it green? How hard could it be to turn it green? Look up Rocky Mountain oysters. I assumed it was up in a lake somewhere. Is it not? Oh, jeez. Bro, they're also called dusted nuts. What? Some dusted nuts? I thought they were oysters. Bro, I ain't no bull nuts. What you know what's funny is if no one told you about it, it'd probably be pretty good. Yo, I just want to turn this green. I just want to turn this green. There we go. There we go. Turned it green. Went from negative to positive, like Biggie said. Dude. Yo, I haven't dueled anybody. I gotta run the duel. All right, so this is my lunchtime trade. For anyone that's new, I usually pick a bias during lunchtime and just ride with it. And this was the bias that I chose. Do I trade full time? I probably trade. Do you mean full time like trade all day or as my only source of income? I trade pretty much all day and I do have another source of income. I own a business. But I trade the business runs pretty much on its own. So I trade majority of the day. I trade other things besides just prop firms. Like here is how my day is going here. I'm up $2,200 today right now in stocks, options, and also I'm up in Robinhood. My good old Robinhood, I'm up $142. So it's 142 on top of that. I own a manufacturing business. Made 1K with his lemonade stand. Yo, that's how we roll.
Order filled.
Yeah. Yo. Yeah. There's applications for testers. It's strictly plugs. Submit your job. Submit your resume. Everything, Luna. Everything. Parts, signs, toys, all types of stuff. But yeah, I mean, I'm on here. I get a code. Oh man. Dude, they're pushing this thing. Dude, they're pumping it. I have to cap this though. This is a funded account. I can't make too much because I got a consistency rule. So I got to stop at like $500, I guess. $500 is good. Dude, I might just go in freaking blind in here. The account's already down. Start turning this shindig around. Popping more greens on the account. You know what I'm saying? It's a weird day, though. It's definitely slow today. Definitely slow. Boom. Oh. Motorized? Always motorized. Full steam. Gas powered, baby. The one thing I will say I'm looking out for right here at 436 is a 4-hour order block. That I'm looking at, and we swept the previous hour and we came back. We might retest. Well, the numbers are tight. It's only 400. It's only 5 points down, actually. If you look, though, look at what you got. You got a shoulder, a head, a shoulder, and now you're breaking out. The first test is going to be 441, and then I feel like we're going to hit 558. You got an inverted head and shoulders here on the 4-hour. We were talking about this yesterday on the stream, actually. It's definitely bullish for you guys. Shoulder, head, shoulder. It's kind of the breakout area. This is the breakout. This is a 4-hour breakout candle. Probably push it up. You know what I might do here? Dude, I might just fucking hold this all day. I'm willing to lose $300. So I'll risk 300. If it hits, it hits. If it doesn't hit, it doesn't hit. Up 700 on your platinum purchase this morning. Awesome. I've never played platinum before, Fritz. Do you normally trade platinum or any of the metals? Just go long and hold. Yeah, I kind of feel that way by looking at the 4-hour. I kind of feel like The 4 hours in inverted head and shoulders. That's your first metal play? Jeez. It's a good one. It's definitely a good one. Come on. It has no sign of letting up. I mean, we're following this purple line, which is the 9. It's just kind of riding the moving average up. Fuck yeah. Give us the big candle, baby. Push it. Push it. Go. Go. At least take me out of 1. You're not gonna at least give me 1? Just 1. Oh, you suck, NQ. Sometimes you really suck. I'm holding this, though. I am freaking holding this. I'm not fucking leaving. I'm not leaving. Dude, I'm letting the trend be my friend. The trend's my friend. Come on. There we go. Come on. Dude, the insta-kill. Bro, I don't know why I keep doing that. Every time I get in for the trend, it is not my friend. Are you done lunch? I haven't even eaten lunch yet. I got to go eat lunch, Vivek. What up, Sean? I got to go eat lunch. I got to go get leftovers in the fridge. I'm starving. I'm like starving Marvin. I got to go figure out what I want to eat. I got to go look through my leftovers, see what's going on, see what I can heat up. I had the barbecue here yesterday. Give you the ducks. What ducks? We do the account giveaway at 4:20. Every day we do the account giveaway at 4:20. Duck it. The race? Yeah. No, we do it at 4:20 every day. I don't know what I have left, CT, to be honest with you. I don't know what I have to be I hope it's good. Yo, I bet you if I had anything good, my wife fucking took it. How's that sound? My wife probably took it with her to work. But yeah, the Ducks were open already. It was open earlier. We'll open up again for I'm going to open it up again on the afternoon stream. Dude, do I just move this back to break even? There we go. I'm in a free trade here. I'm going to take this for
Order
consistency
filled.
rules. Empty bottles of baby oil everywhere. I got to go clean up the baby oil. But yeah, I do have to go eat. By the way, I'll be back at 2 p.m., 2:15 p.m. We'll do an account giveaway. Actually, we're going to do a bunch of accounts today because Apex is 90% off now. I'm going to do a bunch of Apex giveaways. So more than one person could be happy. So if you want to support the stream, use the code CoveTrader below. I'm going to get some fucking lunch. I'm hungry. This account is staying in this trade. Whatever happens, happens. I'll be back 2 o'clock, 2:15. I need to go eat, though. I am starving. Remember, don't trade at lunch. Your portfolio could take a punch. Volume tends to dry up, and you get some fake moves. So just watch yourself. All right? Peace.